you have a lot on your plate as an entrepreneur. So how important is it that your partners can share some of that responsibility with you?
As a CEO of a company, we have to deal with a lot of aspects of the business. So R&D, clinical, regulatory, finance, and all of that. The question there is, who do you trust to give that responsibility for or to? So it's very important that we find that partner who they can fit our culture. And if we find those partners, we outsource everything that they can take. And then we keep what's important to us, which is investors' relationships, fundraising, key opinion leader discussions, type of strategic questions that we have to answer.
When you select a partner or a
Yeah.
vendor to help you with these development tasks, what are some things that are very important?
Reputation, meaning that how long have they been in the business and what type of other projects have they done. You have to go see them. Two-way communications, I think that's very key. So for us, also we look for that because we don't want to have surprises. So we want those quote-unquote surprises to be communicated to us early enough, because as a group, including the service provider, we can try to find solutions that are common.
So what were some of the business challenges you were faced with when searching for a CRO partner?
We don't hire a CRO for a short period of time. This is a transaction that will be with each other for a long, long time. So as we do that, we need to make sure that we have people that can be with us for many years, that have reputable or good reputation, and they can help us, and the relationship can grow with each other for over many years. Otherwise, it's very hard for us to just really let go in the middle of important clinical trial, important discussion with the FDA. This is why having people from, for example, your organization with whom we worked for many years, and we trust them, we know when we hire them again, they will be with us for that long term, and the relationship is already there, and we don't have to think about, well, is this person gonna be the right person 3 or 4 years from now?
So as an entrepreneur in MedTech, this is different than other forms of tech, because in MedTech, the risks are very high and lives are literally at stake here. So in working with different vendors and partners, how do you use that model to manage that risk?
In developing a product in the medical device, safety is our priority for the patient. When we provide a job to NAMSA, we are hiring the expertise, we're hiring the quality of the work that NAMSA does, because we want to make sure that when the report comes back to us, when everything is done right, or is done right for our organization, but also for the safety of the patient. Your organization is known for quality, and we come back to it often with the different companies that we have, because we are happy that even the FDA looks at your organization, the data that comes from it as being top-notch. We don't understand how the FDA behaves as much as your regulatory expert is at your organization. So working with them hand in hand, and first of all, they need to understand our big picture before they can slice it in smaller pictures.
So in hiring partners to support your mission, what does the ideal partner look like?
The ideal partner is somebody who believes in what we do. So let's put the money aside. Everybody needs to have that, but that's not enough of a reason to hire somebody to be part of us. I think it's understanding that what we do is important to the patient, it's important to the physician. I think if we have that, then that's where the team really thrives.